Last week we took a look at the design, printing and initial application of the first couple of panels on Maggie. We also took a really quick look at Drew doing some detailing as well. This week we're going to take a look at the application of the rest of the panels and the finalisation of the wrap to go on Maggie. So let's go take a look. When you're lucky enough to follow the process along as we've been, it's clear to see just how much work actually goes into putting a wrap on a vehicle. But as you can see so far, the details are starting to come together and it's starting to look like a really fantastic piece of work. There really is a lot of detailing and a lot of fine tuning that actually needs to go into wraps. So you can see why wraps are actually a pretty expensive proposition. As I mentioned earlier on, this wrap's going to take around about a week and a half, and that's having 2 or 3 people working on it all day every day for about 7 to 9 days. So it's a heck of a lot of work. And we've been really lucky to have Drew and the team here provide us with this amazing piece of work. The truck's going to look fantastic once it's finished, and it's going to be really great for a promotional piece and for advertising for the channel. Not to mention giving it some really good protection from the elements as well. And we've been really lucky here to have Drew and the team provide us with this amazing piece of work. The details are really starting to come together now, and it's starting to look absolutely fantastic. So just to do a quick recap process wise, first of all we have the printing, which is done on the printers here at Stick Signs. Then Drew gets the printed work and laminates it. Then all the surfaces on the vehicle are prepared and cleaned down with isopropyl alcohol. Then it comes out and is put onto the vehicle and put in place with magnets, and Drew measures everything up to make sure everything is in place. Then he puts the masking tape down to make sure it's in place where he needs it to be and it stays there. Then once it's taped down, you'll see here Drew's peeling off one of the panels. They generally sort of peel off a part of the panel at a time and then cut it off, and then smooth that particular section of the vinyl down and then continue on with the rest of it. So it's a really big process. Right, well that's about all we've got to cover just for today. The next time we come down here to Stick Signs in the wrap booth, we're going to be checking on the finalisation of the truck. We'll see you then. Don't forget, if you're getting some value from this video and my channel, to drop a like with the button below. Also leave some comments and don't forget to subscribe as well. Alright, well now that most of the panels have been done, we're going to take a look at the final touches that are going to go on the truck. First of all, we're taking a look at my logo, which is going to go on the back window. That's actually getting printed here on site and it's going on a clear sticker. Just got one of the team here is actually printing it out now, and it also cuts out as well. And as you can see here, it just peels off from the background. So now the detailing's been done on the back window sticker, we're just going to head outside now with Drew and take a look at the last of the detailing to go on the back window. The whole truck's really coming together now and it's looking just amazing. What we ended up doing is Drew's decided that we were going to change the colour of the bonnet, and very good decision to do so. It looks so much better in the orange now, which is sort of matching the sides. But overall, I'll tell you what, it looks amazing. So good.
What do you reckon, mate? Solid week's work and a bit of fun?
Looks bloody fantastic. Yep. Looks absolutely amazing. I'll tell you what, now that we've got all the last little details on today, to really set it off, I'm just loving it. Thank you so much again, Drew. It's been fantastic to, not only to go through the process and to get everybody to sort of be educated on how it actually all works and all the rest of it, but it's great to have the truck looking like this as well. It's going to be so great for the channel, so we're really grateful to you for that.
Too easy, mate. Treat it like paint, just about.
Yeah.
I can tell you right now, it is a vinyl covering, so just wash it like you would normally wash it and keep it washed. You can treat it tough.
No worries.
Go bash it. There's no problem. It's easy to fix anyway.
Will do. All right, well, just for all the viewers out there, if you could, let everybody know where you are once again as well.
All right, we're Stick It Signs, the wrap booth at Dover Drive, Burleigh Heads. Drive on in, say hello, and in a week you can have a completely different looking car.
Thanks a lot, Drew, once again. Really appreciate it.
No worries.
All right, and that's it for us this week. We'll see you next time we get 4 wheels on the road.